thrift store transformation, thrifted in the city. Hello, today I'm going to show you how I took this cabinet from this and turned it into this. Keep watching. Let's get started. So I bought this beautiful cabinet from the thrift store and I paid $10. It does have a flaw. It has a crack in one of the drawers, but it still was not a deal breaker to me. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to take this gift wrap that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to line the cabinets drawers with it. So I did all 5. I'm just showing you what they look like. So there you go. So I bought these pretty crystal knobs from Marshall's. They were $8. So I'm going to take them out of the packaging. I thought these knobs were so pretty. If you can't tell, I love to have a little bling bling. I love Five Below. I think they have some beautiful floral arrangements. So if you want something that's super cheap, please head over to Five and Below. And my picture frame came from the Dollar Store, and this is my beautiful dog. She passed away earlier this year, but I still love her and miss her. So, and this is a little floral arrangement that I just made. So I took like the stand and a little vase or flower pot thing, and then I just added some old floral arrangements that I just cut the ends off, and you just keep stacking them up and you have a beautiful floral arrangement. So this is what it looks like. I also added this little 3-tier stand that I made using products from the Dollar Store, and I will have a future video on how I did that. So I just think that this look is super simple. I didn't have to break the bank. So for the cabinet and the knobs, I spent I spent $18. So super cute. So this is what it looks like. I just think that it is so beautiful. cabinet that I found from the thrift store and turned it into this amazing, beautiful piece by using these crystal knobs and using a Five Below floral plant and some personal pictures and an old floral arrangement that I had at home. Please follow me on Instagram, YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, Thrifted in the City. Bye!